Hey guys, welcome back to another what sold video. So today we're going to be going over a sale that was made on TCGplayer. So this person actually purchased 3 cards. So the product amount itself totaled to $8.90, and they also paid 99 cents worth of shipping. So the order total was $9.89. TCG took a fee of $1.58, with my net amount being $8.31. So to also pay for the shipping supplies in addition to the actual stamp. And my current book of stamps cost me like 70 cents per, so just minus 70 by $8.31. Okay, so they purchased this Embryon, and I was able to sell this for $6.99. And they also purchased this Eevee here. So this sold for 93 cents, assuming they want to use it with the Embryon in addition to the Jolteon. So they also purchased this Jolteon, which sold at a price of 98 cents. So very happy about this sale. I'm going to be throwing these two into the same penny sleeve, just because these were just 90 cents cards, so not high value cards, but still wanting to protect them from whatever I can. So throwing them in a single penny sleeve, and then I'm just going to tape this penny sleeve to this top loader here. I forgot the name of it for a second. So gonna get my painter's tape. Just gonna add a layer of tape at the top, because we do like to tape off the top just to make sure the card does not fly out of the top loader itself. So just going to slap that on there and make sure that's taped to the actual penny sleeve or top loader itself on this side. Wrap it around, and at this point it should be pretty secure. And as you can see, it's just gonna have that little bump right here, just like that. Okay, so that should be secure. And I'm also, just for safety purposes, just gonna add another piece of painter's tape at the bottom. I mean, you can't really overprotect these cards, so why not go above and beyond a little bit, especially since this is my second sale on this profile. So after this, once it actually gets there, I should achieve level 2 status. So it should be pretty fantastic. So there we go. Have this package like that, and going to throw it into a team bag for further protection, and just going to take off this here. Hold on, if I could even get to it. My fingers are, they have a mind of their own sometimes. Okay, there we go. So to take that off, and going to tightly seal this just like that. And there we go, not gonna be moving around. So what I'm gonna do now is I have their invoice. Not gonna show this because it does have personal information on it, but I'm just going to put it in between the invoice here. I'm going to tape it onto the invoice itself. I'll show you what it looks like here in just a second, but again, just gonna cut this part out just to keep their personal information confidential. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just going to fold this just like that. Fold this piece here like that, and then just gonna fold this part over, because now we're creating like a nice little protective layer here just all around the team bag itself. So now I'm just gonna add a little piece of painter's tape. Painter's tape is my friend here, very easy to peel apart, take off once it actually gets to them. So we'll do it just like that, and there we go. Have this package, and we're gonna throw this into a plain white envelope here. I'm going to put it in like so, just like that, and just gonna tape this part again, another piece of painter's tape, just to make sure that it gets there one piece and not gonna be shifting around too much within the plain white envelope. Just like that, have it all packaged there. A neat little paper package within the plain white envelope. So like I said, all I need to do is just lick that up, and I'm going to tape a copy of their address right here, the sender address, and write my address at the top, add a stamp here, and this is good to go. So nice little profitable sale here. This is probably the biggest sale that I've made so far on TCGplayer. Been really enjoying grinding through the low levels so far, and we'll see where this takes us. So if you enjoyed this episode, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.